Okay, you guys, so all the audio that you're currently hearing on this video is coming from my Canon Rebel T6i camera, which is a built-in microphone. I'm going to be comparing this Razer Seiren mini microphone to my Canon's built-in camera and my MacBook Pro's built-in camera. This is the 2017 model, so it's a bit older, but that's the only mics that I can compare for you guys. I know a lot of these reviews are basically pointless if you don't actually have a comparison. So for starters with this mic, it is a plug-and-play microphone. It's not wireless or Bluetooth or anything like that. So it does come with this USB plug, which you plug into whatever type of streaming software that you want to use. I have my MacBook. You can plug it into any type of laptop since MacBooks, they do not have a USB port on them. So this is just an adapter. Once you plug it in, you can see the light comes on, and that means that it's on. Now with this, I'm going to be comparing on iMovie. This is what I use to edit my movie. So I'm going to test out this for you guys by actually selecting the microphone system on my iMovie settings. We're going to put it at 100% volume. This is a built-in microphone, and we are going to do a voice recording. So right now this is the microphone on my MacBook Pro, the built-in microphone in comparison to Seiren's mini microphone. We're going to go back into settings and we're going to change it to Razer's Seiren mini mic. Right here, I'm testing the audio on Razer's Seiren mini microphone on my MacBook Pro. Let me know if you guys hear a difference, if it's more crisp, if it's less crisp, how the output sounds to you guys. And then right here, I'm just simply testing it on my Canon T6i camera's built-in microphone. So those are the three mic tests that you guys can go from. If you want to hear between the three, just click throughout the videos. I'm going to mark them with wording. From my own personal opinion with this microphone, I used it in my Halloween video that I posted last week. The audio is really crisp, so make sure that you guys are recording in a quiet space. Now switching back to Razer's Seiren mini microphone. The rest of this audio from this video is going to be off of this microphone. For some more specs on this mic, it is a plug and play, so you will be plugging it into any type of streaming device that you guys want to use. I'm using my MacBook Pro from 2017. It's not just for streaming video games. A lot of people right now are doing Zoom meetings. You need microphones for that. So I work from home. I do. So far so good. I don't have any downs for this mic at all. This one retails for only $49.99, which is really affordable in comparison to Razer's last models that they've released for their microphones. And this one also comes in pink and white. So if you guys want to switch it up a bit, you can. Other than that, big shout out to Razer for sending over this microphone for me to review for you guys. So let me guys know what you think. If y'all have any other specs on this mic that I didn't cover, feel free to leave comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to all, and thanks for watching. Bye y'all.